Hey guys, it's the StellaB and
it's Bree, Nails and Bree on Instagram.
And we just filmed a dope video for you guys, a dope experience. So make sure that you stay tuned and check it out.
Yes.
You know, something on the way. We at Cosme Bar.
Stay tuned right here in Vallejo. Check out this video.
Hey y'all, so we finna get started. She finna hook my nails up. The lighting. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so she finna hook my nails up. And do y'all see this shop? It's so cute. Ooh, this lighting. And then I gotta move behind me. The fireplace. It looks so cute.
Have fun.
Would you rather me call you Bree or Brianna?
Bree. Everybody calls me Bree.
Bree. This is Bree. So she's about to put the nails on. It's about to get real. I'm gonna be. Hey y'all.
You know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you.
Y'all, you see me with my nails. Okay. So she about to start doing all the stuff.
I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should have been peeped. I feel
How'd you learn?
Myself. I'm self-taught. Very proud. But it's hard. It's hard to learn to do stuff by yourself.
You really gotta do a lot of research and really put in time.
A lot of time and effort
And dedication.
yeah, but that's you. You was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say
What's your favorite part about doing nails?
The finished product is actually my favorite part. Like, it's so much, it gives me so much satisfaction to just see it done and all comes together how I wanted it to. Yeah. And shout out to all the women in business that's watching this right now. All the entrepreneurs out there, keep going, y'all. Especially in the Bay Area. There's so many of us.
So many hardworking women that all need to come together and work together and build each other up instead of tearing each other down.
Exactly.
So y'all, we halfway through. I say 80% through. You see my nails though? She shaped them and I think the shape is flawless. I think she did a good job. The length is perfect too. I think I can still maneuver and do me and still be extra at the same time. And then soon I'm gonna have the shine on it. I'm gonna be all finished and y'all gonna love it, I know. Y'all gotta come here. Yeah, so we're in Vallejo, California, Bay Area. We out here. And I'm at the Cosme Bar. And Bree is doing my nails.
Yes.
And she's such a pleasure. She has good conversation. And she's doing her thing. And she's really professional. So, like.
All right, you guys, we've come to the finale. It's time to put the top coat on. I will be using Max Estrada Shiny. All right, let's finish you up.
that's you. You was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude.
I'm so glad you ladies came. Thank you for having this time.
That's you. You was acting
You want to put it back in?
Oh, no, you're done.
Ooh, yeah. You see the glitter? These are beautiful. Like princess nails.
Oh, yes. That's the word for it. Get it out the light, B. Yes, those are cute.
Wow.
She said, wow.
I like you better.
Yes. Yes, do not be afraid to switch your nails up a little bit. They ain't all gotta look the same. Look at that.
So pretty.
Yes, and subtle.
Yeah.
You don't have to have dollar signs in your nails for them to look good. No shade, I'm just saying. Like, yes, I love a pretty, subtle look.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
They are. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank
I
you for
love
coming.
these.
And YouTube, thank y'all for watching.
Thank you
y'all for being a part of this.
Thanks.
Good night, and we'll see you next time.
Yes, bye y'all. Let me show y'all. So these are my nails. It's been 2 weeks since I've got them done. And I wanted to wait just because, ooh, my hand look ashy. And I wanted to wait to show you guys just because of the simple fact that I want to give you an honest review and a complete review to where I'm telling you my experience. I'm telling you about how the nails lasted and, you know, how they're looking 2 weeks later, so y'all could really know all the info. So I got my nails done at Cosme Bar in Vallejo, California. The address is 1927 Solano Ave, Vallejo, California. At Cosme Bar. That's right. I was forgetting that they was there and I was being super rough. And look, they're still here. My nails have not broke at all. They're still here looking cute and looking good. I do need a fill, but that's because my nails grow so fast. But they lasted. They're still white. Sometimes when I get gel nails, well, these are not even gel nails. This is gel powder, and the only paint I have is clear on. And the whole experience, I just want to talk about my experience there. It was amazing. Bree is really, really professional and like so cool to talk to. Like me and her was really just chopping it up, just talking about life and talking about our goals and just what we were trying to do. And I can't wait to work with her in the future. But so like, Bree, I really just want to say thank you so much. I love the conversation I had with you. I love the experience. Of course, I already know a couple of my friends have already went to you, which is amazing. Y'all all should go to her. She's really a hidden gem. And I live in Richmond, so I go to Vallejo to get my nails done. And sis, I'll be there next weekend because this ain't gonna work for me. But like I said, 2 weeks later, my nails still holding up. Like I said, I'm hecka rough with them. Hecka rough because I be forgetting that my nails are even there. I might cut them down shorter going forward because like sometimes I want to move a little quicker and the nails like just like but I do love my nails. Like, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what colors I should get. Like, give me some ideas because I really don't have that many. I love you guys. You be brave, be beautiful, and you know, keep going. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. I love you guys. Just hit me up on Instagram, The.StellaB. And if you want to see my photography, go to @StellaB Visuals on Facebook as well as Instagram. Bye guys.